Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Aprialis Mamora. In this video, I will continue to present the journal international paper with title Internet of Things Based Products or Service Process and Challenge in Developing the Business Model. In this video, I will present about methodology. Action research method. One key assumption of action research is action brings understanding. In this case, we assume that one of the best ways of understanding the process of creating a business model for the IoT and the challenge faced in this process was to get involved with a real company dealing with this task. In this section, we explain method of the action research project or Efficient et al. 1999, Bakersfield 1999, involving the generation of a business model for an IoT based product or a smart door lock. First, regarding the types of action research, Berg 2004 classify them into three main modes: technical or scientific or collaborative. Early advocates of action research propose it as the application of very rigorous scientific method of problem solving. The goal was to test a particular intervention based on a pre-specified territorial framework. In this mode, the research identified a problem after collaborating with the practitioners and provide information from them. Practical or mutual collaborative or the deliberate mode. In this mode, both the research and the practitioners work together and collaborate identify potential problems and issues, underlying cause and adequate intervention. This mode is more flexible and empowers the practitioners. However, the level of control and measurement is lower than in the first mode. Emancipating or enchaining or critical mode. This type intends to promote emancipatory practice of practitioners and critical and political consciousness. This type of action research develop some sort of special criticism. The goal is to empower practitioners to promote social change. We identify the action research performed with the mode 2, practical or mutual collaborative or deliberate mode. The intention was to solve a practical problem or the definition of a business model for an IoT based product discussed from the beginning with the practitioner involved. The action plan was also discussed and approved by them. The action research was conducted from December 2014 to April 2015. The company studied or here called Delta is a small Brazilian company founded in 2004, specialized in the development of electronic product. Delta has a process of R&D and I that focus on project involving hardware and software with microprocessor. The company vision is taking innovation, comfort, and economy through technology to domestic and corporate environment. The production line is divided into one with low cost product with a traditional design, presence sensor, timers, and electronic buzzer. The other production line is composed of product with innovative design, including presence sensor. In addition to this product, Delta also work with OM or original equipment manufacturers. Construct. The structure of the company consists of one manager and two electrical engineers, a technical team with one administrative assistant, and 15 employees working at the production line. The two owners of Delta were involved in the process of business modeling because as a small company, Delta doesn't have administrative department. There was no involvement into other employees, which were engaged in operational tests. The research project was carried out by an interdisciplinary team involving research from management and computer science, which helped the company in the development of the technological infrastructure for their IoT-based product and the development of the business model for it. The action research phase are depicted in figure 2 and described next according to the steps suggested by Baskerville 1999. Diagnosis. Work session 1 and 2 at table 3. This first phase of research involved the identification of the problem and the definition of expected result by the practitioners. It was a collaborative process. The delimitation of the problem was made during the first two meetings with the company. In the first meeting, two owners have made a presentation of the company and their need. We identified what the company had project for product based on the IoT, but did not have a formal strategic plan or business models established from them. Based on this objectives and motivation of the company, we attempt to understand the company needs and characteristic, as well as the profile of the managers involved and what could be the best form to help them in the business modeling. Action planning or literature search and work session 2 at table 3. In the second meeting with the company, the research team has presented a draft of the research procedures, still attempting action planning. In the second meeting, the research team has visit the company premise with a draft of the work plan. This plan was created after a review of the literature on business models and business models for the IoT, or which was incipient at the time 2005 14 until 2015. The BMC was suggest a possible framework for business modeling because It is a broad, didactic, and straightforward approach to business modeling. It is one of the most used frameworks for business modeling, including digital business and the IoT or Bachelor and Engelman 2011, Sat et al. 2012. The managers involved were acquainted with this model, or although they had not applied it in their own company, the practitioner agreed that it could be an adequate framework for the process of business modeling. The smart door lock, the research team and the practitioner defined, together with components of the BMC, would be drawn in following work session. Action taking, or work session 3 to 6 at table 3. In this phase, a set of meeting was held with the company involving the two owners to develop the business model for the smart door lock. The Canvas application followed the step proposed by Osterwalder and Pigneur 2009. Mobilize, gather all the elements for the design of a successful business model, describe the motivation behind the project, and establish a common language to design, analyze, and discuss the business model. To understand, develop a good understanding of the content in which business model will apply, including environment mapping, study of potential customers, collection of ideals of and opinions. 3. Design, transforming information and the ideas of the previous phase in business model, prototypes that can be explored and tested. 2 more step, or implementing the chosen business model and managing it, were not performed because these two last phases require a product ready to be sold in the market, something that had not happened with the smart door lock until the conclusion of this research. Evaluating, work session 7 at table 3. After generating the business model, a specific meeting was conducted to evaluate this process, especially considering the facilitator and barriers. A long conversation with the practitioner was conducted to understand their views on the process of business modeling and the adequacy of the BMC as a framework to support this process. Specifying learning. After finishing the practical meetings and evaluating the experience with the company, the research results were crossed with the updated literature review to specify learning as so in the next section. We use NVivo as the qualify analyze software to organize the ideas brought by the literature review and the recording and field notes of the work session with the company to analyze data according to research question. Okay, until in here I presented. Thank you for your attention. And the last I say thanks.